Hi, it is here again on Square Money and welcome back to my channel. And today I want to show you sites hustles that pay you the most money and one particular side hustle that I have used consistently inside income. So as always, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos and leave me a comment below. Let's get into it. So the site that I want to bring you is Airbnb. Now most people know Airbnb. If you are looking to rent out a room or if you have good space where people can come and stay, you can charge really good money, and that's also an option that you have with Airbnb, but not a lot of people know that Airbnb also hosting experience on Airbnb as a side job. So if you have a talent, like if you are a footballer or anything else, what people do, different tips of things, like if you are a painter and stuff like that, you could be a musician, like how to play a music and you want to host an event, you can actually do that through Airbnb and actually charge different amounts of money for that. So I will show you exactly what it means is. So what Airbnb experience are activities designed and led by inspiring locals. They go beyond the typical tools of classes by immersing guests in each host unique worlds. It is an opportunity for anyone to share their hobbies, skills, expertise without needing an extra room. So basically it is you sharing your passion with the world, bringing community together, meeting interesting people, and obviously making extra money. So it is basically you host on your terms. You set your own schedule that works for you. You put everything up on Airbnb, and then people obviously register to come to that particular event. Basically, starting up a business with absolutely no started up costs, so Airbnb has got you covered. This is an unbelievable thing that they have actually started other than obviously you using a room to make money, which you can also Airbnb. So how much money you can earn? You can earn $18 per week, but if you are looking at doing something where you are actually going away, when you are run something from maybe 3 to 5 days, you can earn $2,000. And obviously, if you are anywhere around the world, the site is where you can earn so many good money and running your own business and doing something that you love. I don't think there is anything better out there. So if you have got a talent and you want to teach people how you do it, go on to Airbnb, find out exactly what they are looking for, create your experience page and submit an Airbnb review. People from all walks of life are doing this. Really good site, check it out. And today it is Airbnb. I'm sure everyone heard of it. The next side hustle job where I have made over $800 for today's work consistently is with Uber. This site is called Uber. Very similar to Lyft and a couple of other sites that I have obviously shown you where you can deliver stuff or obviously deliver food on one night. You can also do that with Uber as well. So Uber is a ride sharing app, and obviously to sign up is very simple. They're in a lot of countries around the world. So all you need to do is go on that website and complete their sign up form and to get into their platform, and basically the way it works. And you need to be obviously depending on where you live, you need to be in most cities and you need to be over the age 21. You need to obviously have a car and get started. So as we can see here, drive when you want, make what you need, earn on your own schedule. Driving with Uber offers a flexible earning opportunity. It is a great alternative part-time driver jobs or other part-time gigs, team jobs or seasonal employment, or maybe you are already a ride-share driver and want to supplement your income by becoming a driver using the Uber platform. Driver who use Uber come from all backgrounds and industries, setting their own schedule to make work fit into their lives, not the other way around. Weekly rentals as low as $260 per week. Rentals come with insurance and basic maintenance. Start earning with rentals from our vehicle partners. Why become a rideshare driver? Set your own hours. Some driving opportunities can mean long hours and rigged schedules. If you become a driver using Uber, you decide when and how often you drive. Get paid fast. When you get paid to drive using Uber, your earnings automatically get transferred to your bank account every week, plus with instant instant pay. You can cash out up to 5 times a day. Get support at every turn. If you have questions, you can reach us anytime online or in the app. Ask about background checks, weekly promotions, how to get paid, and much more. And also, as we can see here, all things you need. Whether you want to drive for just a few hours every once in a while, or you are a more frequent user of Uber's Drive app. With Uber, you can fit driving around what matters most to you. Drive at any time and on any day of the week. Further, in the driver app will help you find readers in real time so you can earn opportunities nearby. Need a car to make money? No car, no problem. If you want to become a driver using Uber but need a vehicle, check out the selection from our vehicle partners. You can find an affordable car by the hour or longer. These vehicles come with insurance, unlimited mileage, basic maintenance, and more options, and lowest available rates vary by city. Here is what you need to become a driver or delivery person. Have at least 1 year of driving experience, clear background check, documents, valid driver's license proof, residency in your city, state or province, insurance if you plan to drive your own car, sign up process, submit documents and photo, provide information for a background check, find out if your car is eligible or get a car. The Drive app, easy to use and reliable. The app was built for drivers. With drivers, it shows you everything you need to know to become a driver with Uber. How does driving with Uber compare with the other driver jobs? Different driving jobs offer different opportunities. Some driving jobs have strict hours and rigid schedules. With Uber, you can set your own schedule. It all depends on whether you want a traditional full-time or part-time driver job, or you want the flexibility to work whenever you choose. What are the requirements to drive with Uber? When you become a driver with Uber, you must meet the minimum age to drive in your city, have an eligible mode of transcription, and submit required documents, including a valid driver's license. Drivers must also pass a background screening and have at least 1 year of licensed driving experience. Is the Uber platform safe? Your safety matters to us. Uber has a global safety team dedicated to doing our part to help prevent incidents. Learn more about the safety features in the app, as well as safeguards, as well as such GPS tracking, emergency button, and phone number by visiting the link below. Do I need my own car? If you want to become a driver with Uber but need a car, you can get a car from one of our vehicle partners. Please note that vehicle options may vary by city. All you need to know here, check it out now. Top cities in the US to get paid to drive with Uber: Alabama, Arizona, and California, and many more. Requirements: meet the minimum age to drive in your city and anytime, anywhere. Now, in a lot of places, the car cannot be over 10 years old, and there is a couple of other things you obviously need to look out for, and obviously making sure yours is clean and definitely roadworthy, and you know you run a little bit up, so it is definitely fantastic for making money. You set your own schedule, so all you need to do is go on and sign up. And then once you sign up, this is probably one of the best side jobs that anyone can have. Set your own schedule, work hard. So as a side hustle job, I'm telling you now, there isn't any time better. And obviously there are costs involved in terms, and if you want to do it, you can make it and earn more money. It is fantastic side. That's obviously with Uber is a massive company around the world, and I would definitely recommend it to you. Start getting jobs, grow your business on your own terms. And I hope this video helped you, and make sure to hit a like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any videos about to make extra money online.